In today's webinar, you'll see how easy it is to find a judge's profile in patent cases using Docket Navigator. At docketnavigator.com, click Search at the top of the page. Then on the search page, click the Judges option on the left-hand side. In the filter box, type in the last name of the judge you are interested in, then click the judge's name in the drop-down suggestions. This will take you directly to the judge summary page, and this is the same page you would have come to if you had clicked on that judge's name either in the docket report or in any search results pages in Docket Navigator. You'll notice first some stats on the left-hand side of the page that give you an overview of the judge's experience in patent cases. The number of patent cases the judge has been involved in over the past several years, the number of determinations about the infringement, validity, or enforceability of patents, a total number of monetary awards the judge has issued since 2008 in patent cases, the number of injunctions and TROs, and the total number of claim terms this judge has construed in patent cases. The tabs across the top give you details about the patent. The first tab is a list of patent cases the judge has been involved in. The Orders tab is a list of every significant order the judge has issued since January 2008. If the judge gave any explanation of how they reached their conclusion, that will be summarized here. These are the same summaries that you see in the docket report each morning. If the order is annotated, you see the legal issues that the court focused on in its ruling. There is also a link to the case where this order was issued and a link to the order itself. This is a great place to set up an alert if you want to be notified the next time a judge issues substantive orders in patent cases. The Determinations tab is a listing of every patent that the judge has found infringed, invalid, not invalid, etc. We give you a link to the patent summary page, a link to the case summary page, the determination the judge made in red, and a link to the order where the judge made that determination. This is another great place to set up an alert if you want to be notified the next time a judge makes a determination about a patent. The Remedies tab is a listing of all monetary and non-monetary awards issued by this particular judge. You'll see a link to the case where the award was issued, who the remedy was against and who it was for, the type of remedy, and if it is a monetary remedy, we'll tell you the dollar amount here. The Terms tab is a listing of all claim terms construed by this judge. On the left, you'll see the claim term. In the middle, you'll see the definition assigned to the term by the court. On the right, you'll see a link to the case where this term was construed, along with a link to the order construing the claim. You'll also see a link to the patent that contained the claim term. The Order Stats tab is a listing of every significant order this judge has issued since January 2008, categorized by the type of motion that led to the order. So, for example, if you want to quickly ascertain how a judge typically rules on a particular type of motion in patent cases, just scroll to that motion type on the chart. You'll see on the right-hand side a tally of how many times the judge has either granted or denied these motions in the past. If you hover over the number and click, you'll see a list of those motions that were granted or denied. This allows you to craft your motions before that judge in a way that will be the most persuasive based on their past history. So that is how to find the litigation profile of a judge in patent cases. If you need help using Docket Navigator at any time, just click Contact at the top of the page to see our email address and phone number. We are always happy to help with research. Thank you for participating in today's webinar.